everything they need except a closer. You need to pull one over. You think that you gonna leave without my business yet? I might have to play them a little closer. Now we in Malibu, Maybach back to back, have an Admatech, call the troops, pull up with some shit, make you do acrobats. You think that I'm finished cause I'm done? Say, little baby, how you get so far? Go check your Apple Maps. Foreign exchange it. Kurt Cobain and Maybach, I might pull up brainless. Man, come on, man, I'm Teflon. You know I'm bulletproof. These ain't that dangerous. A lot of pros and cons when you rich and famous. What up?
What you mean? Yeah,
We grocery shopping.
right.
Yeah.
What you,
See, we get the excuse us. Yeah, we just very. Here, make this left right here, baby. Very wholesome. Oh my God, grocery shopping. I love this for us. You know, we just doing wholesome. Baby, this is very wholesome, regular activity. Real street nigga, man.